In this video, we're going to talk about the 3 reasons why women lose feelings. If a woman has lost interest in you, these are the reasons why. Number 1, hesitation. When a woman sees that a man hesitates too much, she loses interest. A woman wants to see that you're not afraid to go after what you want. If she knows that she's given you signs and you're still hesitating to go and make a move on her, that makes her lose attraction because she wants a man who isn't afraid to go after what he wants. So, don't let the woman you like see you be hesitant. Instead, go directly after what you want. The second reason why women lose interest is when you're being too indecisive. A woman wants a strong, decisive man, a man who knows what he wants and is decisive. Where do you want to eat? I want to eat sushi. Do you want to stay here or you want to go there? I want to go there. What do you want to do tonight? I want to go watch movies. Okay, boom, boom, boom. She wants you to make decisions. A lot of men mess this up by saying, I don't know, what do you want to do? Or, I don't know, I don't care where we go. Or, I don't know, right? And throwing the decision making on her. She does not want that responsibility. That is your job. So, another reason why women lose interest is because you're being indecisive. Start being very decisive very quickly. The speed of decision is important. Where do you want to go? I want to go here. What do you want to do? I want to do this. Where are we going? We're going this way. Boom, boom, boom. And the third reason why women lose interest is because you are not leading. Okay? Mentioned this a bit in the previous point. When a woman sees that you're more of a follower and not a leader, where you're looking to other people to lead, or you're even trying to throw the leadership role on her, such as, oh, well, where do you want to go? Where do you want to eat? What do you think we should do? Okay, that is a lack of leadership. Stop trying to throw the leadership on her. Also, a lot of men expect the woman to lead the conversation and to keep the conversation going, or the escalation to happen, etc., etc. You need to be the leader. We're going here. We're doing that. You need to go first. You need to make a move first. You need to lead her here. You need to tell her you want to do that. You need to take the lead. If women are losing interest, it's probably because you are being too much of a follower. You need to be much more of a leader. Hit the notifications icon to make sure you're notified every time I upload a new video. I've put together a free masterclass that's going to teach you the 5 mindset shifts you need to make to start attracting and dating the women you're truly attracted to, and that free masterclass is available at jatjones.com. So click in the link in the description and go watch the free masterclass now. So to recap, number 1, don't hesitate. Don't be too hesitant. Go for what you want. Number 2, don't be indecisive. Make decisions quickly. And number 3, take the lead. Don't try to make her lead everything and you be the follower. You take the lead. You show her that you are the leader, and she will be very happy because now that responsibility is no longer on her. I hope you enjoyed this. Make sure to leave your video requests and comments below, and I'll do my best to create a video on the topics you suggest. Take care. Peace.